Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm back again with another tutorial for you. And one thing I need to tell you that I've just updated my computer to the latest version of Windows 10, and previously I had nearly 18 to 20 GB of free space, and after this update you can see that only 8.22 GB of space is left in C drive. Okay, and that's because of the new Windows installation, the new version of Windows. And to regain the previous free space, I need to delete the previous window files. Okay, and here's a trick how to delete the previous window installation files. So I'm going to tell you that, and for this, okay, you have to right click on the C drive and then click on properties and go to disk cleanup, and you can see some of the junk files here. As you can see, delivery optimization files. This is consuming 1.9 GB of space, so I can tick on it. Also the other files. Okay, and click on OK. Okay, as you can see, now I have 10.1 GB of free space. Still I need to clean up some more system files. So for this, disk cleanup and then clean up system files. Okay, clean up system files, and this may take some time. Is scanning. Okay, and here window upgrade log files, this is of 340 MB, and similarly the others. Okay, as you can see here, previous window installation, and this has consumed 18 GB of space, and that's a huge amount of space here. So this is consuming 18 GB of space, so click on it. If I want to delete this, okay, so it is given here that you can use this cleanup to free up 18.4 GB of disk space. Okay, I can free up to 18.4 GB of space. So now click on OK and delete files. And I'm pretty sure this is going to take a lot of time. Here's a warning: if you clean up the previous window installation or temporary installation file, you will no longer be able to restore the machine back to the okay. I don't need this. Yes. Now it is cleaning up the C drive. And this is going to take some time, so I'm going to skip. Now the cleaning is done. Okay, let's see. Okay, now I have 17.9, approximately 18 GB of free space. That means I have recovered 10 GB of space in my computer. Okay, so in this way we can recover the huge amount of free space in a computer just by deleting the previous window installation files. So friends, this was for today. I hope you like this video. So please like and share this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of my latest updates. Thanks for watching.